Ovaltine cookies. Na UP. Oh. Oh, okay. 3 packets. This is $1.50. Let's try the Ovaltine chocolate malt cookies. You can see it. You can see it. Yeah. Whoa. Ovaltine. Okay. Yeah, I don't know Ovaltine. Good. Yeah. Meadows, cheddar and chives, V-cut. That is for 5 assorted flavor for $5, so $1 each. Like shrinkflation, almost half. Ooh, that's big. Oh, yum. Sarap. I will finish this whole bag. I will finish it. Not so much. So, bye. Okay, let's try this. Parang ito yung version nila ng halo-halo. Yung halo-halo natin, yung may mga gabi, langka, ube, tapos ginataan. Ginataang halo-halo. There you go. Bobo Chacha dessert. Kapag kinonvert mo yung isang pakete, this one, yan, 150 pesos. Pwede daw siyang kainin na chilled, pwede ding hot. So, ngayon, try muna natin yung galing sa ref. Shake well, then peel off the seal. Enjoy. Tapos, pagka gusto mong hot, i-microwave mo lang for 90 seconds. Ingredients niya, water, coconut milk, taro, sweet potato, sago pearl, sugar pandan, leaf, salt, xanthan gum. Let's not talk about the calories. Oh, meron siyang spoon na kasama. Very convenient. Look. Wow. May pambukas pa. Parang kutsilyo. Very small. Small. Small spoon. Okay, open natin. Baka malaglag. Paano ba yan? Shake well. Before peeling off the seeds of syrup. Shake well. Kangkang treasure bowl. Wow! Wow, very, malabnaw. O baka matapon. Gamitin ko ba to o yung kutsara? Ang lalaki. Kasi ang laki. Ang laki ng gabi ba yan? Taro. Parang isa naman. Oh, merong sweet potato. Parang lang, 4 na pirasong malaki. Puro sabaw na. Sana may langka. Tsaka saging. Hindi lasa yung ginataan. Lasang siya. Of course, artificial. Masyadong malambot yung gabi. Like, para siyang mochi. Okay na din. Itong kamote. Hindi lasang kamote. Very, very refreshing. Try natin bukas pag mainit. Okay na din sa OFW kaysa magluto. Yan pa isa-isa. Pero pag marami kang lulutuin, kakain, magluto ka na lang. Okay? Bye! Okay, let's mukbang this na mainit. Nung isang araw, malamig. Kahapon actually. Ngayon, ininit natin. Ginataang halo-halo. So, ito yun. Wow. Malabnaw. Yan o, may kamote. I think gabi. Ube probably. Parang malabnaw niya. Yeah. Okay na din. Of course, lasang artificial. But, yeah. Ginataan.